Eric here from Big Time Fantastic, and we're going to do a little unboxing here. Got us a cheese Mart box, and we're going to have us a little unboxing. I don't know if Lacey's going to join us or not. Hello, Lacey. Are you going to join us?
Well, I see you got a cheese box, and I mean, I wouldn't.
Are you feeling a little peckish?
I'm a little hungry.
Well,
I mean, I wouldn't want you to open this up all by your lonesome.
I could get lost.
Could you use a cracker?
Okay, what did we get? Look, got my headphones on here so I can hear whether or not this is working. I guess it doesn't really matter because it's going to pick up what it picks up. Now we got, oh boy, we got some butter casa, which is basically butter cheese. It's just buttery cheese is what this is. And this is going to be great. And then we have something really cold. Meat sticks of Lacey's favorite variety.
I saw taco flavor.
Taco flavored. Can you believe that? And we have another package of meat sticks. Oh, pepper jack, pork, and beef snack sticks.
Yum. All right,
Cool.
snack.
Yeah,
I'm kind of hungry.
yeah. No, that's just like I'm gonna eat something out here. Here's your ice pack. Don't eat that. Well, this was all about the snack sticks this time,
Ooh, that one's not
and we
good.
got some honey barbecued.
Oh, okay.
They're a little sampler tasty.
Oh, I see. Okay, taco and honey barbecue sticks.
Here we put that over there. And let's try some of these. Okay, I'm gonna change this. Okay. All right. So we have. Well, what would you like to start with?
Taco.
Taco flavored.
Let's cut some cheese. So we got some cheese to go with the rest of the meat. Oh my gosh.
I'll probably get dinged for copyright. You can't listen to that 8-bit music. I don't know if this, yeah. This just cuts so easy. It's literally like cutting butter. Butter cheese. When our daughter was growing up, we used to go to a cheesemonger, and they would always be there with buttercos, just ready for her, just for her. Oh, here, I'll give you the dry side. Sorry, feel a little peckish. Didn't have time to wait.
Oh my god, I don't got time to cheers.
Ain't no dinking on this.
That's good. I'm gonna bust open some club crackers though, because this is good cheese on club crackers. So creamy. I'm hungry.
All right, we are going to try the taco flavored meat sticks. Okay. It's not.
I'm waiting for the taco flavor.
That's what I was going to say something, but I wanted to see if you say something first. It's like, it's not very taco-y.
But maybe it's because that cheese is so buttery. Like, try another piece. Let me try another piece.
I'll try a bigger piece. There's a little bit of heat. Like, it's got the tiniest bit of heat to it. Like a little kiss of cayenne. No, it's a little kiss of jalapeno is what it is. Yeah.
I don't really taste much taco.
No.
I mean, I'm not saying it's bad. Like, it's good. It is tasty. I guess I just expected more, like, of a cumin flavor.
Yeah, more taco.
Or taco, I guess. And I guess maybe that's me. Maybe I just associate cumin with taco. Oh, sorry, it's our kids. Oh my God,
That's because that's what makes taco. Yeah.
And so,
But
I mean, still good. Still really good.
Yeah.
I need to sip of water. I'll be right back. I'm sorry.
It's easy open. My last experience with easy open didn't go so easy. Ooh, here we go. Ha ho ho.
Okay. What's in the middle of these? Oh, are these the pepper jack sausage?
Mm-hmm.
So it has like an infused core?
Well, some do, some don't. It's just we just happen to catch the pepper jack right on the pepper jack.
So some of them look like that, like with an infused core, and some of them don't.
Infused core.
Infused core. I like saying that.
It's not infused.
It is infused. What would you call it if it was stuck inside?
My personal inserted.
You would prefer to insert versus infuse, huh?
Oh yes. To infuse something means to like meld it into it. To insert something, you just
you can. Okay, I'll let you win.
winner, winner. Sausage dinner.
That's bad.
Okay, the pepper jack.
It was pretty good.
That's good. They use that high temp cheese though. High temp cheese is weird.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. You just eating crackers now?
No, it's like cleansing my palate.
Cheese is good for that. That's yummy.
It's so creamy though. I need something that's more like cut everything.
It's like you can tell this was like the end of the log. It must have had a big old honker.
It's tasty.
All right, last one.
All right.
I know this is gonna be good. Honey barbecue. I guess that's a little ASMR if you like that kind of serrated. Blah, blah, blah. I don't know if this mic's even picking me up.
I think it is. I hope so.
Hope so.
Hope so. That's all I can say. Oh, thank you. Cheers.
Right off the bat, that's just yummy and sweet.
That's good.
Delicious.
Got some nice tang to it.
It's everything you want from a meat stick. It's sweet, yummy, savory.
Just like,
Not a lot of pepper to it though. I think that's when I put the pepper jack in. Oh.
Right? Well, me cracking.
Mmm. But one of each. This is surprisingly really sweet. Like, really, really sweet. A lot sweeter than I'm used to. It's almost candy sweet. You put the two together, though, that's just like the whole. Taking the potato chips, and stacking the different flavors. We won't say what brand because they didn't sponsor us.
Not sponsored. Well, it is sponsored.
Starts with P and ends in Eagles.
Does it rhyme with sprinkles? Or dingles?
Dingles. Sprinkles?
I guess they both kind of rhyme together, don't they?
Sprinkles? Waha.
Well, that was good.
That was splendid. Yes. Okay.
Tasty snackies.
This is wonderful this time. This is a great box. Yep, that's the whole shooting works. That was great. And I think this is going to be our last box for a while. We're getting into winter time, so yeah, it's time just to hunker down for us. We'll keep doing some of the unboxing videos, but some of them we're going to change up a little bit. And it's Christmas time, the holiday season, so we got lots of stuff that's going to be going on. But yeah, the big thumbs up on the box. I mean, definitely try them out. It's worth it. Yeah, Wisconsin Cheese Mart.
Are we allowed to show this appreciation token for 10% off your next order? Are we allowed to show that?
Well, I don't know, but it doesn't really benefit us because we're not going to order. But hey, if you want to go ahead and order, go ahead and order.
I'm just going to show what's in the box. I'm not going to say it.
There you go.
So if you want to check out their cheese, here you go. This coupon code is only good until the end of the month, so that's it. You want it? Go grab it.
Try it out.
It's pretty tasty.
Maybe they'll send us a piece of cheese as a bonus or something. Thanks for advertising for us. Yeah. Thanks for QuuGog, and
thank you.
Thanks for everybody. Thanks for subscribing, and yeah, that's a wrap. Peace and love.
Peace, love ya.
Take care.
Okay, bye.
Bye.